Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my hemlock and oak, and this is going to be the last spread that I'm doing in my hemlock and oak. It's actually quite sad, but at the same time, like, I'm so happy with how all of these spreads turned out, and I feel like this was the perfect transition planner into the Hobonichi because I've gotten used to the layout. I've just really found a rhythm with how I plan in an hourly vertical like this, and I'm going to be using pretty much the same design layout principles that I have used in here in my Hobonichi Cousin. Main reason I'm moving into the Hobonichi Cousin is because of the daily pages that I'll be using for journaling. But anyway, this week, for the last week in my hemlock and oak, I will be using the Faith Kit from Let's Plan. And this is actually the Hobonichi Cousin kit, but I've also included the supplemental sheet as well because I like that extra decoration. And then I'm going to add in some of, according to Allie's, winter leaves. And then in terms of my tombos, I will be using these two, 942 and 192, because they match perfectly. Let's get started. All right, so one of the first things I normally do when I do this spread is turn it around. I don't know what that sound was that I just made, but apologies. And put down the washi strip. Now this washi strip goes down actually pretty perfectly over this section. I say perfectly in that it doesn't go all the way across. Wow, I am doing well with words today. It's like the kids are immediately on Christmas break and my brain kind of shuts off, even though I still have a few days of work left. But then brain is just like, nope, I am going to shut down now. I'm actually pretty happy that the kids are on Christmas break because now I don't have to worry about dropping them off and picking them up. Oh, I'm actually really looking forward to that. Oh, and not having to pack lunches. That is probably one of the things I'm looking forward to the most. Ooh, I really enjoy that. Okay, so then I'm going to put in the date covers. And I actually prefer the date covers to be not necessarily the width of the column. I like having a little bit of spacing in between. I know that sounds weird, but I don't know why. I think it's because of how I had planned in my Happy Planner before, where not everything was lined up exactly to the column. So, I don't know. It's just me, maybe. Oh, I love the layering up here, though, with the washi and the date covers. I think it's a really, really nice effect. So I'm going to cover a little bit of the 6 o'clock because if I don't need to be up at 6 this week, I don't really need it. My hands are so dry. I apologize for that. And I apologize for my nails because I just realized I haven't done my nails in months. Not sure why, but I just haven't. All right, the top part is done. I love the way that that looks. So now I'm going to add a little bit of deco around the place here. And these are Allie's winter leaves. I love adding deco like this. I'm gonna add it with this. Do a little layering. Would just the two work? I don't know. Okay, I guess that's going down there. And like that. There we go. And I think I need to add a little bit of the Simply Gilded washi, this green foil. I feel like there's no other time of year that I can use it except at Christmas because it's Christmas. So I don't know. It's going to cover a bit of the middle, but actually I don't mind that at all. Okay, So I'm gonna put one more thing down here, and I think I'm gonna put the It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like a Christmas box, although there are these 5 boxes. So put 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 boxes. Or I could put 1 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that still doesn't add up. Saying that, it's not like I need to use all the boxes in this spread. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm gonna put the It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas down here. If I sound slightly out of breath, it's because I just had like a coughing fit. Not sure where it came from. Ah! Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. There we go, and then I just realized I am covering up where I write down BLD, but that's okay. And Lucy's just walked into the room. Now, I'm trying to figure out which one is the best one to use. I love this. And I think, yes, that is exactly what I want. And a little bit's going to come off the page, but yes. Yeah, a little bit is going to come off the page, but I don't mind that at all. And place that back in here. Then I feel like it needs a little bit of the beigey color. No. Huh. Maybe I'll leave it for now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the sidebar here and then get started and do the rest of the spread. So what I usually do in the sidebar is my sleep tracker. So I take this tracking box along with a Coffee Monsters co-emoji and then draw in a graph where I have the number of hours, so 4 through 9, and then the days of the week. And I keep track of how long I slept as well as my sleep score, both of which I get from my Fitbit. Then underneath that, I take the This Week label along with one of the cute workout emojis. Most of my emojis are from the Coffee Monsters Co. because they're just so cute. And then I write down the days of the week and my workout scheduled for the week. I'm repeating week 7 because I didn't finish all of it last week. Then moving to the main part of the spread, I then use my Tombow dual brush pens to highlight where I want to brush letter the word work. And I am thankful for another 4-day week. Plus the kids are off school this week, so I don't have to remember to pick them up. And then I draw in with my Sailor Pro Gear Slim the hours that I have to work. And then once I'm done that, I remember that I have a physiotherapy appointment on the Wednesday, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to do it. So I take one of these quarter boxes and then an emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. and write in that my appointment is at 8:30 on Wednesday. Having such trouble with my arm and my back and anyway. Then I take the last of the fall or autumn working emojis and place them on each of the days, and I finished a sticker sheet. I always love finishing a sticker sheet. Then I take it to do label for Monday and write down that I have to meal plan and order groceries. That does not change just because the kids are on winter break. And then I take the garbage script sticker with a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji for Tuesday. And then I kind of move all over the place here, trying to figure out what's next. But Thursday, picking up the groceries. And then Friday, at this point, I remember, oh my gosh, I still have all of the full boxes to put down. Where am I going to put them down? So I then remember I'm going to put one down on Monday. And then I'm going to put one down on Wednesday, and then Friday and Sunday. And then I have one more left that I'm going to put down probably in my horizontal happy planner spread. So I like the way that I've spaced them out. So then moving to Friday, I put down that box along with a family time script sticker because we do have plans on Christmas Eve. And then I'm trying to find the best box sticker because I know I still need to film on Friday afternoon. And I didn't put it down the right way I wanted to. And then I put it down with a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji. then my hand is blocking. I apologize for that. But then moving on to, I realized that I didn't want to put anything down on actual Christmas Day because the plans are kind of still up in the air. But then on Sunday, I put down the to-do sticker with a cleaning emoji and list all of our cleaning. That may change depending on what happens that day, but that's okay. And then I move back through the spread and actually add a few more decorative touches, like this acorn on Sunday with this kind of beige paint swatch. I really like the effect of that. And then I go ahead and write in that I do have to film. I then add in S&C and BLD to count my steps and calories burned, as well as track my breakfast, lunches, and dinners. And then I actually use my Tombow Duo brush pens to write in Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And I really like how this looks overall. All right, so I think I'm pretty much done. I felt like I was all over the place just the way that I was trying to film it and everything. But I'm pretty happy with those colors because I like the green. I kind of like the yellowy tan. I've left Christmas Day pretty much fully open because I actually don't know what our plans are. We're either spending the day at my parents' house or not. I haven't decided, but I like to leave it pretty open. The only main thing that is planned is that we're spending Christmas Eve at my parents' house and opening presents at midnight. I did just say to my husband, we'll do the cleaning on Monday instead of the Sunday because we're all off on the Monday. But if we don't actually have any plans on the Sunday, then we'll just get it done. I might have to put like a big rescheduled on that, but we'll see how the week goes. All right, but as for my last spread in my Hemlock and Oak, I'm really loving it. This planner has been wonderful for me these last 6 months in terms of trying out a new format, playing with different stickers, and I think it's just been such a great transition planner into the Hobonichi cousin. So I've just been so pleased with how I've been able to use it, how I've been able to decorate it, and it's really now become something that I feel like this layout and the way that I use it is going to become so useful for me going into 2022. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. What I may film in the future here once this is done is a full flip through of my Hemlock and Oak, the way that I've used it the last 6 months. If that is of interest to you, please let me know. All right, thanks again for watching and have yourselves a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, season's greetings, whatever it is that you celebrate, and thank you guys. Have a great day.